Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I want to create a very natural eye makeup look, and I do have all these products here in front of me, and we're just gonna get started. So to begin, I'm going to take this eye primer, which looks like this. Of course, this one is from the brand called Altera. You guys have seen me with this one before. It's a very nice primer, and I'm just gonna prime my eyes like this. Just gonna do to the other side as well. So now that the eyes are primed, I'm going to go ahead and of course start applying the eyeshadows, and I'm going to use this palette today. This one is a very old palette that I have. I don't think they still make this one anymore, but this one is from Morphe, and it's their 35T palette, which looks like this. Such beautiful color in there. So I'm just gonna take this color right here, so that one there, and I'm going to apply this right on this spot. And just blending it out because I want this to be a very natural look. I'm gonna go with the other eye like that. You can still see it. It's pretty color. I really like this one. So next I'm going to take this purple right here and put this one here. Just deepen up this part a little bit, like that. And now I'm going to take this shade right here, this one here, and I'm just going to use my finger and place this right here. That's nice. Just gonna build it up just a little bit more. Like that. And I think I want to go with another color. Which one should I use? I'm going to take I think I'll go with this one right here in the corner here. This one here. And just put this one on top. Yeah, this one pops a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna go in with the same brush that I used before, and just buffing the edges. That looks nice. That looks nice. And I need to highlight my brow bone, so let's take this one. I think I'm gonna use the same palette actually. I'm gonna take this shade right here, this one. I'm just gonna place this. You know, one thing I wish with this palette, I just wish that they would, have their names like printed right on the actual, pan. That would be nice. For the mascara, I'm using this one here. And this one is from Altera. It's their XX large length mascara, which looks like this. So we're gonna pop this on the eyes. I like that, looks good. So I'm going to skip the lashes today because I feel like this looks natural to me, and I'm happy with how everything looks like. So we're just gonna jump to the lips, and I'm going to line my lips using the, of course, chestnut lip liner from MAC. And just filling in a little bit. And then I'm going to use this lipstick. This one is from Colourpop, and it's called Uno Mas. This one right here, Uno Mas. And we're just gonna use this one on the lips. You could leave it like this, or you could put a gloss on top. So I'm going to use this one from Catrice Cosmetics, and this one is their Volume Lip Booster, which looks like this. So I'm just going to apply this one on top. I'll show you how it's a very pretty, it's like a baby, like a baby pink. Look at that, it looks beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply this So yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I really like how everything turned out. As you can see, everything looks beautiful. I really enjoy this look, so quite happy. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video, so you don't miss out. So that you can come back and hang out with me again. Why not? Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.